Welcome to our quick recipe guide on making a delicious vegetable cheela. Let's dive into the art of creating this savory Indian pancake, perfect for any meal of the day. Whether you're looking for a nutritious breakfast, a quick lunch, or a light dinner, this versatile dish has got you covered. Stay tuned as we guide you through each step. From preparing the batter to cooking and customizing your very own cheela, let's get started. In a mixing bowl, combine the besan flour, turmeric powder, carom seeds, red chili powder, and salt. Gradually add water, whisking constantly until you get a batter consistency slightly thicker than dosa batter. Add the chopped onions, tomatoes, ginger, coriander leaves, and green chilies, if using, to the batter and mix well. Heat a tava griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Add a few drops of oil or ghee and spread it around the pan. Once the pan is hot, ladle a scoop of batter onto the pan and spread it gently into a thin circle. Cook for 1-2 minutes or until the bottom is golden brown. Flip the cheela and cook for another 2 minutes or until cooked through. Serve hot with your favorite chutney or yogurt dip. You can add other vegetables to the batter, such as grated carrots, chopped bell peppers, or shredded zucchini. For a protein boost, you can add cooked and shredded paneer to the batter. If the batter seems too thick, add a little more water to thin it out. If the batter seems too thin, add a tablespoon or two more of besan flour.